Okay, so I should be live now. Uh, Let me see. It, I should be live, though my thing isn't saying that I am. Hold on. Am I live? I can't tell. Um, okay. Let me speak again. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, it's not getting my audio, I think. Wait, I might be wrong. Give me a sec. Hey, I'm trying a new stream setup, as you can tell. Um, Streams. Okay, I am getting audio. Oh boy. All right. Yeah. Um, this is actually my first time using Streamlab. As you can see, I got a fancy little bar up at the top here. So like I'm not just streaming my screen anymore. I'm streaming just like the whole thing. So here, I figured out how to be a better one of them streamers. Oh, and I also got my SolidWorks actually downloaded on my desktop so I can model my ROV here. So let me see. I'm gonna add a new source. Window. It just got downloaded, so I needed to add a new. I need to add a new source. Add source. Oh, and I also have like follower alerts and other alerts like that now. Uh, Wait. Window. Wait, does this not count as a window I can open? Like, what's going on? Uh, let's see if this counts. Oh, settings for window. Uh, uh, there we go. Okay. Can you see that? You probably can't see anything else because I need to move the thing. So if I go like this and I move this down like this, it's kind of funny it's doing it live, but I thought there was like a way for me to, yeah. So, all right, I figured it out. Look, I'm a real streamer now, technically. Oh, I wonder if I test my widgets if it'll come up on my stream. Hold on. So, oh, yeah. So like I can test my follower subscription thing. You see that? So does it? Okay, it does show up. Wow, Kevin, thanks for the follow. So yeah, I have a follower thingy. I have a subscription thingy. There's a tip thing, but I don't have that enabled because I didn't want to put in my PayPal. But this is what it would look like. And then I have a little bits thingy. I'm official now, guys. I have the Streamlabs set up. So yeah, and now I don't have to risk leaking all my files to you guys because I'm just capturing my screen. So it's probably good, right? Probably. Uh, huh. So yeah, just double checking that everything is okay here. And yeah. So, all right. The update from last time, I was able to move. Well, I made a mock-up model of my underwater ROV that I want to make based off of the design specs. Here, let me open up the design specs actually. It's like, first off, I'm going to click to a different window. First off, oh, I'm going to click to a different window. Let's not have echoing audio. But yeah, you can't see it right now. You can't see me like moving between windows and stuff. So I might not even need to have my laptop open to see chat. I can like pull up my chat right here on my computer, and you guys won't see it. I'll still have my laptop anyway, just because I might forget or get distracted or something, you know. But yeah, no, that's really cool. But oh yeah, I need to pull up my thing drive, pull up my spreadsheet. I suppose I need to make a window for this too, don't I? Hold on. So sources, window capture. There we go. All right. So, okay. So currently, you guys are seeing the SolidWorks still because I'm in the editor mode, so I can add things without it going on top like it was before. So, move that down. Oh, and watch this. Watch this. I can go like, shoo, all right. I need to see if that pops up on my actual stream. Come on, do the thing. Oh no, my thing's loading. Wait, did it not? Did it not do the thing? I thought it was. Okay. Well, I tried to do a transition effect. I thought that it would switch. Oh, oh, okay. It's just super freaking delayed on my end. Yeah, see that? That's cool. So I can do that. I can switch between thingies and have like a neat little transition animation. And of course I can like change all these to be my own custom thing. Like I also have a my offline screen. I made my original one because I didn't want it like I already made an offline screen. I'm not going to go through the effort of doing another one. So I could show you that too. Like I'm not going offline. Like you could still hear me when the screen's on, I think. But yeah, sick. But yeah. Oh, right. I've found a few things since last we spoke about this. Um, I looked for a different motor independently, and I was able to find a good one that was relatively cheap and also, like, I think powerful enough for what I want. Yeah, each of these motors ended up being like 23 bucks. My only problem is mounting them is going to be an issue. Well, I'm going to need to 3D print my own mounts for these because they don't come with mounts. Here, let me show you. So I go to uh, underwater ROV motors. I have a link on my phone. There's a specific website. What is it called? Hold on, let me get my phone up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Have we been streaming for 8 minutes? That's crazy. Time flies when you don't know what you're doing. Okay, the website is underwaterthruster.com or something. Underwater thruster. Yeah. So I found this. Wait, is this the same website? This doesn't feel like the same web. No, it is. It is. What the heck? This is a different layout than I got on my phone. Oh, here it is. Okay, this right here. This is the motor that I found that I think will be good for this application because the current motors. This has 400 grams max thrust, and it draws 2.5 amps of current, 24 volts. So the current motors I have on my little kit, they are about a fourth of that power, and they draw 3 amps at less volts. So they're just straight up worse than these. And they're also like, they're only like $5 cheaper. So it's just not worth it. But my issue with this, you see this? There's like no way to actually mount these that I can see. Yeah, because if you take a look, I mean, there might be, see those little screw holes there? That might be a way to mount it, but I'm not entirely sure. I mean, either way, I'm gonna make a 3D model to mount this, so which means I'm gonna need to make this in my 3D model. But yeah, also I've decided that the basics. Also, I'll say this first. For the basic piping for the PVC, I went with 1/2 inch. So I think my mock-up was a little bit big for what it's actually going to end up being. But yeah, so this is a video of it thrusting. But yeah, as you see, it produces a pretty good amount of thrust. I think this will be plenty if I'm gonna have 6 of these things. So, alright. So if I have 6 of these, then that's what? 24 times 6. Ooh, math. Don't make me do math. 24 times 6. 144 for that. And every other part came up to around like 75-ish when I bought them. So it's still under my budget of 300. I don't know how realistic that $300 budget is because I'm going to need to get some sort of microcontroller to control this thing. Maybe that's another thing I need to look into, but for now, I'm going to do the 3D modeling part. But yeah, I might be able to get it in or around budget of $300. I just sort of laid that budget down arbitrarily before I did any research. It's just like, this is how much money I would be generally willing to spend on something like this. So yeah. Also, I would have manufactured the parts already, but I don't have access to the lab that I can manufacture these parts in yet. So I'm just gonna 3D model all the parts to spec and then go from there. But yeah. So how do you guys like my my little transitions? I think they're cool. Like, so when you go on, I'm using Streamlabs. I don't know if I said that, but I'm using Streamlabs for this, and oh my god, so many of the scenes that they give you, it's like there's the free version of Streamlabs, which I'm using right now, right? And so many of the scenes, like the little transitions and stuff, they're like, oh, you can get these for free until you click on them, and it's like, actually, you need the paid version for this. And it's like, oh, great. I actually had to look up online, like, if there were any free ones, and apparently you have to go into the search bar and type free, which, I mean, I should have thought of that, but yeah, sad but true. But I found a pretty neat one. Like, wow, look at that transition. I didn't transition to anything, but it was pretty cool. So yeah, I didn't move my old file over to this new thing, so I'm gonna have to make this from scratch again. But that's okay, because that's what we do here. So, right, I'm gonna need, so I'm using 1/2 inch PVC. I'm using 8 of those 45-degree angle connectors, and I'm using, I think there's, no, 16 45-degree angle connectors, and then there's 8 T's. And that's if I don't even want to change the design. But yeah, we'll see from there. And I'll make the base PVC frame first, and then I'll make well, I need to mock up the motor. I think they have yeah, they have part specs, so I can make this on my own, just like a mock-up of it. And also, this is wild, by the way. Wow. So you're telling me for what? Every $20 I spend, I get $1 off? That's crazy. It's like it's supposed to be a deal, but it does not feel like a deal. Oh well. I mean, it's better than nothing, I suppose. Yeah, no, a lot of these motors are like they're suggesting you attach them to kayaks and stuff. I was like, who motorizes a kayak? I mean, I guess you could. I just never thought of it. You know, that's another thing I wanted to work on that I thought would be pretty cool. It was like something you attach to your arms, like little thrusters that you can like power underwater and like move around. That would be cool. I think I saw someone on YouTube do that. I forget. I think it's like Peter Stripple or something. But yeah, no, I thought that was cool. Anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling and I'm gonna start 3D modeling. Excuse me. Inhaled some spit. Classic. Oh, another thing. I'm the world's most distracted person. Oh yeah, I need to actually pull up the thing in my stream. I'm not used to this. And so I go like this. Transition. So yeah. Also, I have Streamlabs music, which is a bunch of like copyright-free music I can play in the background while I'm doing this. I don't know if it's any good. I guess I could test it out. I was looking at them last night, which is when I figured all this out, and most of them are just a little too intense for me. But I think one of them turned out decent. There's a lot of lo-fi on here, actually. But yeah, this one called Gamer Lounge. Gamers. So I can like... Here, I want to see if you guys can hear this. So, lo-fi study life. Oh my god, so loud. Here, let me unmute my computer. Okay, you can hear it. Wow, what do you think? I think it should be a little quieter. Well, if anyone comes in the chat and lets me know, then I guess that'll be that. So yeah, I guess today's stream, I'm gonna be making some SolidWorks models to lo-fi. The things you do. Okay. I suppose we should get started. What should I get started with? Well, I should probably look up if there are any, like, actual specs for the T's, because it's gonna be hard to measure that out by myself, you know? Because, like, I'm gonna... Right, let me just look that up real quick. Also, I could pull up Discord and not dox everyone I know. Awesome. I just had some notifications I need to look at. Yeah, alright. Let me look up if there are 3D models for, or like 3D drawings for coupled parts. Actually, I could show you what I'm doing. I keep forgetting that I need to do that. If you can't tell, still working out the kinks here. Right, so I can go kablam! Transition. Oh, right. So we do that, and then move my laptop over. Now that I'm not actually streaming on it, I can do this for real. Not have it in my way. Okay. So let's see. Inch PVC pipe. Couple draw. Maybe I should just say schematic. There we go. Alright, so something like this. What? What? Okay, are these in inches? It's so hard to tell sometimes. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a half-inch slip tee. This is what I got. Okay, so I can make this first, I suppose. Alright. Time for my SolidWorks expertise to kick in. So how would I go about making this? I suppose I would, well, first I make one of the pipes, make the other one, and then I'd maybe do a shell. But then there's a little lip down there. Yeah, I don't know, because there's a little lip in there, you see that? Right, like right around here, where this is what stops the pipes, and that's what I would need to constrain them against in the program. So maybe I do the... No. Oh, interesting. Okay, well, let's just make the base part first. I mean, I wonder if there's a version I can just download. I don't want to deal with it. Okay. Back to SolidWorks. Transition. I like the transition effect. Alright. Okay, let's get this going. So this is in IPS. Yeah, my other measurements were all in metric because I accidentally set my default to metric. Like some sort of European or something. So what is the outside diameter of you? 1.083 inches? Okay. 2.083. I suppose I should make the cut. Like, I should extrude it like this first. Also, this music, kind of crazy. Okay, I thought my stream, my laptop popped up a thing said error, cannot license to server, and I was like, oh crap, is that on my stream? No, thankfully not. Alright, so that's a 0.78 or 9? 0.79? That's really tiny. No. 0.79, okay. Oops. 0.79. Alright, exit sketch. And then this bottom part of the pipe is how long? 2.835 inches. 2.835. Alright, so that's the bottom part. Now I need to get the pipe coming up from the top. So in order to do that in this sort of scenario, I'm pretty sure I need to make a drawing on this plane right here. So sketch, and then first I need to find the center of this. So I go like that, select, go like this, like that, select, okay, and put a center dot here. Now I can go like this. But how big is the diameter? It's the same as the other one. Makes sense. 1.083. And I think I just extrude this separately and then cut. Yeah. So exit the sketch, extrude, U. So I'm gonna need to do oh. How do I do this? So I'm gonna need to hold on. My laptop is bothering me. Okay. If I look at the other picture, I mean it's basically just I don't think this matters too much, honestly. But I think I need to extrude it all the way down, and then do something about that. Well, no. it only needs to extrude to the halfway point, right? Because if I extrude it further than the halfway point, then it'll mess up the shape. Okay, so let's see how tall it is from there. It's 1.4 inches. 1.4. That. And then... So I think they fillet this and this as well. Don't know the size of that fillet. Let me see if they mark it. They do not. Guess I'll just have to eyeball it. Okay. It's good enough. Alright, so let's make this cut. And I'm pretty sure this is like 0.79 or something. 0.79. Right. Right? Am I right? Yes, I think I'm right. Alright. And exit sketch. Cut all the way through. So this part is gonna need to like turn into a wall of some sort, you know? Yeah, because we got this, but there's like a little stopgap in there. Like, I suppose I could just like add an extrusion in there. Yeah, okay. So, I did this kind of silly, I think. Oops. That's okay. It still ends up being the same amount of cuts and stuff. So, another extruded cut here. Let's get this out of the way. Exit that. Cut all the way through. Alright, so now we just got like the base pipe. And now we need to add the stop gaps into there. Which are both... Here, let me take a look at the drawing again. Okay, so they're 0.885 inches away from either side. And the center is 1.418 inches from... What is going on in there? Sorry, you guys can't see the drawing I'm looking at. Hello. Hello, Green Tea Cat. Welcome. Yes, I have music now. I was saying that at the beginning of the stream. I have I figured out Streamlabs. Here, let me show you something. So, watch this, watch this. I can go like this. What? See that transition? Very neat, huh? And I could go back to this. I know, right? Yeah, I was figuring out Streamlabs last night, and I think... Oh, also, I have like alerts now, so I can go like this. This is just a test. Oh, oops! Wow, two Kevins followed me all at once. I hope your drive around nowhere was nice. But yeah. So I got widgets now. I got widgets. I feel like I'm starting to be an official streamer now or something. Kind of crazy. It is not raining here. Does it sound like it? Oh, no. It is cloudy here. It's not raining. I was like, oh, is there audio? Is there bad audio? I know. I'm a professional now. But yeah, I was working on this extrusion. I think I know. Here, let me show you what. Let me switch my thing. So, I'm working on making this part in SolidWorks right now. Also, let me know if the music is like too annoying or something. There's a bunch of different options I could choose from, and yeah. So if you want me to spice it up. Ooh, that sounds nice, dude. I wish it were raining over here. I love the rain. But yeah, I'm trying to make this little stopgap here. I think I just need to go and make another circle inside the cut, and then I'll do something. Okay, it doesn't say what the diameter of this circle is, which is a little annoying. But what can you do, I guess? Okay, I think I have an idea of like what this is trying to do. Oh, the music's a little loud. Okay, let me turn it down. Yeah, I have it almost all the way down. Like, how about this? Is the music a little better now? This is at like 5% of the volume of the music. It's crazy. Dude, it's so funny. The different conflicting, like, themes in this Gamer Lounge playlist. You've got, like, lo-fi, chill stuff, and then you got, like, random trap beats all of a sudden. It's like, what's going on, man? I don't get it. Okay, good. This is a good volume. Alright, so... Let me switch the scene. I have to switch scenes now. There's so much work. But at least I'm not doxing people on accident, so, you know. Yeah, I know. It's just like random trap beat, but it's only for like a minute, and then it goes back to lo-fi. It's I don't get it, man. Why it like this? So yeah. Okay, back to SolidWorks. I just need to make the little stopgap in here, and then this part will be done. I'm making a more official model of my thing right now, because, well, for two reasons. One is because I can't, like, I don't have complete access to the lab where I would manufacture my ROV yet. And another reason is because I need to make a 3D mount, like a 3D model of the mount for the motor. So, yeah. Good luck getting into your house. Alright, let's stop talking and start making stuff. Actually, let's see, I would need to do it on... Oh. I need to make a new base. Do this plane. I forget exactly how to do this. I think it's like... Yeah, I could do that. And then halfway point from here is 1.418, I think. That's what that says. Yeah, so 1.418. And then I flip that. So that should be in the middle. Alright. That's good. Now let's make a extruded sketch on this plane. And stop. Go away. Oh, I need to change my view. There we go. So first off, I need to match the size of this of the interior. This feels weird to me. Like, okay, do that, and I need to make the smaller diameter, which it does not specify. Why? Why do you no specify? Or does it? It does not. Am I just supposed to eyeball it? I mean, this is just really a mock-up piece anyway, so it's fine. I'm gonna offset this. I'm gonna say 0.05 and reverse the dimensions. Yeah, do that. So we have this little circle here. Exit the sketch, and if we extrude it, we can extrude it a different way. So it's not just extruding in one dimension, you can do it in 2 dimensions. Well, like, you know, both this way and that way. Okay, so according to this thingy here, it needs to be 0.885 away from there. So 1.418 minus 0.885. What's that? 1.418 minus 0.885. I could just do that. I'll just copy that. Actually, no. Be precise. 0.418 minus 0.885. Okay, well... Actually, I think I should have made it a little taller. Well, actually, no. Okay. I might need to move this cut, actually. Maybe? I don't know. I'm going to turn off the visibility of this plane. So I'm just going to need to make this cut again. Right. Well, okay. Let's take a look at the part specs again. I'm just assuming it's the same on the top as well. Alright. Well, I wonder if I can make this cut. Like, if I can change the order? Uh-huh, you can change the order of the cut. Cool. But now that's a little weird. You know what? I'm just not gonna question it all that much. It's gonna look jank on the inside, and that's okay. We all look jank on the inside. Alright, let's add another reference plane. And we will change this to... Sorry, my brain is malfunctioning right now. I need to look at the thing. Do 0.885. 0.885. Flip the offset. Correct. And now we do an extruded boss base in this. Make a cycle. Do that. And then we offset you like that. Alright, so that's good. Exit the sketch. And then we flip this. There we go. But this needs to be at the same level as this. So like this. Almost. See what I mean? It needs like... Because on the inside, it needs to make a little lip here. And it needs to not go further than that. So if this goes further, then it should be pushed back. I think this is about right. I wish they gave all the details for their part, but we do not live in a perfect world. It is fine. Yeah, so this just needs to match the bottom of that. So... What is this? Maybe 0.05? That doesn't match that at all. So what's the thickness of this pipe? Because I think it's 0.05 plus the thickness of the pipe. Yeah, so it's... I have to do math. Imagine having to do math when you're doing engineering stuff. Kind of crazy. Alright, I'll do it on my calculator. So 1.083 minus 0.79 divided by 2. 1.465 plus 0.05. I gotta do 0.1965. Okay. 0.1965. Good enough. And I need to redo the cut in the center here. Let's make this plane invisible. And let's do this cut. Wait. I don't need to do this cut. Oh, ah. Delete. Go away. Oh, why am I in this sketch right now? Delete. On the wait, did I do a cut for this? I'm out of it. No, I did. I think. No, I'm just gonna do the cut actually. Stream cut. Let's just do this. Do this the easy way. Okay. Exit. Through all. And voila! We have our mock-up of a... Well, I'm gonna do a fillet on these first. And then we'll have our mock-up. And 2.05. Give me a preview. And... yeah, that's good enough. Alright. Mock-up done. Well, I'm gonna turn it white. I could make it out of the actual material. I don't see why I would, but okay, I'm gonna do it. PVC. This or rigid? I think rigid, right? Yeah. Alright. And this will be my first 3D model on this computer. Sick. Alright, so save you. Let's go. Oh, you can't even see my folders now. Alright, then we go folder again. ROV. Underwater. And then mock up. And then parts. Okay. I'm gonna put in parts because I followed a sheet. So this is a half inch PVC T of 4. Okay. Alright. So we got that. Now we just need to do the 45-degree angle one. And then we gotta make the different varying sizes of PVC. Also for the mesh, I'm not sure, like on my original model I had like a little mesh on the bottom. Not exactly sure if I need that. But yeah, let me make this model first. Alright, so no, I need to look up more schematics. If I did schematics for the first one, I gotta do it for this one. So, half-inch PVC pipe, 45 degree. 45 degree. No, these aren't nearly as precise. No, where's my technical drawings? Oh, I got that one off Amazon. Maybe this one. Come on, please. No. Hey, what a technical drawing. Degree. Technical drawing. Here, let me switch my scene so you can see what I'm looking up. Things I have to think to do now. Wacha! Alright. Okay. This is where I got the thing. Please say that they have a technical drawing. Do they not? Do they not? Customer reviews, questions, specifications. Do they have a drawing here? No. Hey. Alright, bench. Is this... I just want a drawing, please. Maybe this will come up with better results. Nope, they're the exact same. Okay. By you. This doesn't help me at all. I might just have to wing it. I might just have to wing it. You know what? I'm just gonna wing it. And that's okay. I'm just gonna wing it. So, we'll do the same dimensions as the other one. So, the outside pipe will be 1.083. And the inside will be... it's 0.79, right? 0.79. Yeah. Exit sketch. I'm not gonna boss extrude it. I'm going to do something else instead. I'm going to do, gonna do swept boss base. That's what I'm gonna do. But I need to make the path for that first. I need to make another drawing. So on this plane, I think. Yeah. Make sketch. So it'll be this, and then like oh no, that's not what I meant. Okay. Okay. Whoa. I suppose it's only 45 degrees from there, so 180 minus 45. Welcome back. You gonna drive some more? Cool. Oh shoot! I totally forgot to switch my seeds again. So much to keep up with. Ooh, that sounds like a nice time. 180 minus 45, 135. I could do math, but would I really be an engineer if I did? And I don't know how long to make these. Well, I could go based off of my other model, which was... it's like the inside... it's like 1.418 between this and the middle. 418. Whoa. I don't know. Maybe, you know, this is right. It just looks a little weird right now. 0.418. Okay. Exit the sketch. Now let's see if I did this right. So, this one is sketch. Yeah, like that. Look at that. Julian Baker listening day? Sounds chill. Sounds chill. Let's get that filet mignon in there. Flaming young. That looks a little weird, but that's fine. Now I need to add the stop gaps. I'll just do 2 separate drawings for that. I forgot what I'm doing. Dude, my brain just... sometimes I'm like, alright, we need to do things now, brain. It's just like, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna not do that thing. There we go. Just like that. Extrude. Go like that. Go like that. Well, I guess that's fine. 0.05. Okay. Exit sketch. And then I think, do I make it? well, first off goes the other way. Flip. And honestly, it doesn't matter how thick it is. It's just sort of, this one's just sort of a mock-up, so. Alright, let's turn you off. Let's get a new reference geometry plane in here. Flip. This is weird. I can't, it looks a little weird, but I think it's on the right angle. Gloomy music, gloomy weather. That is a mood. That is a mood that I prescribe to as well. Or subscribe to? Prescribe? I have not been prescribed a mood. Not yet. Okay. So that's a good... Well, I need to do my fillet. 105. And I do it on the corners. Alright. And then I make this guy out of PVC. It literally doesn't matter, but does make it the color I want, so PVC. Okay. Okay, now we go save to this PC, and we do half-inch PVC 45. Alright. Got our 2 couplers. Of course your cats don't want you to leave. Dude, but I'm just lucky that right now it's kitty nap time for me, because Clementine was like all over me, man. She's like, Dad, please, pet me more, please. Like, oh my god. I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm a bad cat, Dad. Alright, so what am I doing now? PVC pipe. Let's make an assembly. Just so I can start visualizing this in my brain. Insert component. Okay. I need 16 of these. 8 of these. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh. Go away. Yes. And I need 8 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wonder if I can, like, group these up or something. What is that? I think that's just where the... Is there a group? Add a new folder. Yeah. 45 degree pipes. I'm gonna add these to a new folder just so it looks prettier. Couplers. Alright. I know. I'm a terrible cat dad because I don't pet my child whenever she begs me to immediately. It's pretty bad, but you'll still watch me, right? Okay, so we got a bunch of pipes. This looks like my Home Depot run right now. And now I need to make the PVC. It's gonna need to be different lengths, but... So it must be 1/2-inch inner diameter. Is that the... It must be 1/2-inch inner diameter. If that's what they're talking about. PVC. Did I just measure the wrong dimensions? This is not 1/2-inch. So it is 1/2-inch inner diameter. Okay. Okay. It's okay. You must listen to gay music and vibe in the rain. I understand. Perfectly understandable. Alright, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh, first I'll save this. Yeah, rebuild save. As underwater ROV block 2. Or just say 1.0. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna be going for a pretty decent while. Honestly, I planned on streaming for 3 hours today, but I might go a little longer because I don't have too much to do. And also, 3D modeling the motor and 3D modeling the motor mount and everything is probably gonna take a bit. So yeah. Speaking of which, I should get started on that. Well, PVC first. And then we'll see what we need to do from there. So, new art. Thankfully, this is super easy to make. Just go like this. And then I go... What are you? 27.9. Because that's the inner diameter of my other pipe. True. I should make sure to hydrate. I did eat 2 apples before stream. So this 0.5. Feels super thick. Is it really that thick? Maybe it is. That's what they say. How long does this pipe need to be? Thank you. You have fun too. I hope game music gloomy in the rain is fun. It sounds nice, honestly. 2 apples is a feast. Also love the random trap music coming back on again. So how long is this? How long does this pipe need to be? I should have brought my mock-up over. Alright, bye-bye. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Okay. What do? You know, I'm just gonna mess around with it. I'm just not gonna be super precise here. Let's say 5 inches. Sure. And then we go to material, PVC, not PVS, and do a little filet mignon. 0.5. And we save view as half-inch PVC, 5 inches. I'm gonna put that in parts. Okay, so we're gonna need a lot of these. Back to the assembly. Let's insert some components. So yeah, that apparently fits into there. I mean, I guess. Let me see. Oh, okay. I need to copy these first. So how many of these am I gonna need? I'm gonna need a decent amount. Well, I'm gonna need... Because they're gonna need to be cut in half for the ones with the T section on them. So... Okay, I think I'm gonna need 8 of these if these are gonna be my long piece. So, copy, paste. Okay, now let's put these in their folder. Add to new folder, long structure piece. I hate the stupid I before E rule. Alright, now let's get some basic construction down, see what this will look like. So first off, I need to make this concentric with, let's say U. Okay. And since, yeah, so... Stop moving around. Okay, and then I go... Click on this. Click on this. And the pipes are added to each other. Alright, which one of these is grounded? Which one of you is pinned? It's you. Can I unpin this? Let's see. Oh? No. I know there's a way to like the first part you put down is pinned and then you can unpin. Or I could just delete it and then make a new one. Like, because I want to pin this one. So if I go here, suppress? No. Fix. Copy, no. Material, edit favorites, surface, no. I mean, fix, probably. Yeah. Alright. Oh, so float would be that command. Alright. Okay, so that's our corner here. And then we attach another one of these to that. So, go mate. You and you. And then go like that. And like that. Okay. That feels a little short, but who am I to judge? Okay, so we're gonna need to make the smaller parts now, so we can put the little couplers in between there. So let's do that. And I can do that pretty easily. Well, could just edit this one, but I'm just gonna do it this way. Just make a new one from scratch because it's super easy to make. Okay, extrude you. Go here. I think we're gonna need longer than 5 inches, but it's fine. Figure it out. Oh. Nope, bad. Smart dimension. You 1.08. No, bad. 0.79. There you go. And this one is 0.5. 0.5. And we exit the sketch. And let's say that this one's going to be half of the other one. Well, I want the size to be exactly the same. I'm going to have to account for the width of the little gap in between the thing. Like in the original drawing, in the half-inch pipe, the stop gaps for the T-coupler. Am I even saying like words right now? Okay, so the thickness of that is right. It's 0.885 times 2, and then the whole length minus that. So, what is that? Let's pull up the handy dandy calculator. Let's see. So, the total length of the T coupler is 2.835, and then we minus 0.885 times 2. Okay, so we're missing 1.065 inches. So 5 minus this. Copy. 5 minus base divided by 2. Okay, so we're gonna want 1.9675 inch long piece if we're gonna make this exactly like half. This could be tiny. Okay, back here, 1.9675. And let's add our little fillet. 0.05. Make the material PVC because aesthetics. Apply, close, and then we'll save you as half-inch PVC. Short piece. I'll just call it a short piece. Short piece. Short part. Alright, let's put these in. Go to our assembly. Insert components. And we're going to need 2 of these per T-couple. So, 16. So that's 1. Copy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Folder. Short. Structure. Okay. Now we can do the rest of the mating. First, I'm going to save. Because you never know when programs like this will randomly decide that they want to crash. They do it all the freaking time. Alright, so that will go there. And then click on that. Click on that. This might be a little too small. Well, it's okay. This is just, we're just starting. So, that. Click on you. Click on you. Alright, so that's what that would look like. Because that needs to be coupled like that. And moving back onto the angle piece. Oh. Click on you. There. Stretch you out. Click on you. Click on you. And then we add another angle. Like that. No, it's curving. No. Well, that should fix itself, actually. Once I get all the pieces connected. So, now this one, we'll do a long piece. So go connect this to here. Go in here. Connect you to you. And then another angle. Random trap music go. Like that. It's like I'm building it in real life. And this one needs the short ones, so you. Click on that. Click on that. And first off, I'm just gonna save this real quick. And now we continue. So yes, I'm a person who has dealt with SolidWorks crashing on me far too often. I'm jaded when it comes to the software. Okay. Click on on that. Click on that. Okay. Get somewhere. I know I don't need to narrate every single thing I do, but I'm going to. There we go. Look at this. It's actually starting to kind of look like something. I love it when that happens. Okay. You to you. No. Can I flip this? Yeah. And then we go here. And there. And then we go... It's sort of bending. This is like me making PVC in real life. See that? This always happens to me. Woe is me. Alright. Go here, click there. Go here. Click. I one side. I only did a fully on one side. No one will see it. They don't need to know. And we do another angle. Here. And then flip this over. Go like this. Where's the thing? There it is. Oh, sorry if this is like disorienting to anyone watching. I can understand why if it would be. But yeah, a lot of how I work in SolidWorks is just me flipping the whole thing all over the place, so... Yes, I'm very sorry if this is disorienting. Okay. Move this over here. Put this here. Put this here. Now we do another T-couple. What is the change in vibes here? This music. We got like soft, sad piano, and all of a sudden we got this. What is this mix? Things I will never understand. Okay, it's looking a little silly. Okay. Jamming though. Get out of there. No. I ruined my streak. I should save. Rebuild, save. Why are you looking at that part? So, no. It's all the way the heck out here. Alright, let's get another angle piece on. That's fine. Flip this over. This looks so weird. Let me go here. Whoa. There. Making a giant snake. Will this straighten out? I don't know if it will. Once everything's all constrained. Well, just gonna find out the fun way. With this music going on, this is the fun way. Okay. Another angle piece. I don't know why I need... No. Okay. That's why I needed to flip it, because it went in like that. I was literally about to ask her, I don't know why I needed to flip that one that I needed to flip, but then I figured out why. No, looking at the wrong piece there. There we go. Now all we need is this last guy right here. Whoa. 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 No. Don't know what that was. Here, let me make these first. Okay, that's good. And now you concentric with you. Did I not? That's the wrong thing. There's so many weird pieces here. Go away. Ah! Alright, let's try that again. Save first. Then we do it again. You concentric with you. Why is it all the way down here? This makes 0 sense. Concentric. What? 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 Why are you like this? And now these are all stiff. Oh boy. Oh goody goody. Oh wait, I'm doing this wrong. Ooh, my bad. I was like, what the heck? Okay. I mean, it should work the same with both, but I did it wrong anyway. Where's your mates? These two need to go away. Delete. Yes. Yes. Get out of here. Alright. I don't want to have to straighten all these out. Ooh. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Right, so I need to do this small one here. Oh, nope. Bad. Make this here. Okay. Assign that there. And then I go here, 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 here. I think I have an idea of how to fix this if it doesn't want to cooperate with me. First, let's get this in. Let me go here, here. Save this first. Then we go. This should be good. No, concentric. Hey. Well, if I make this, instead of doing concentric, if I just make it flat against this face and here, I can reach it. Okay. Okay. Well, time for plan B. I'm gonna make all these to be parallel with each other. I think that's right. Well, no. What? Coincident? I think it does the same effect for what I want. So that. And now I do this one. Let me set it with that. How the heck did this happen? It must be this. So I can... This is probably... Whoa. How is this off? They're literally all 45-degree angles. What? Did I do something wrong here? Is it because the two that I have to flip? But it should be a 45-degree angle. Like, what? Is it not 45 degrees both ways? Like, that doesn't make mathematical sense. Oh. 45 degrees not work? Is it not a 45 degree? It's not a 45 degree angle, is it? I failed basic geometry, didn't I? It is quite possible that I did. Oh, what are those angles on? What are the angles in an octagon? I cannot believe that I completely boofed this. Oh my god. Me forgetting simple geometry be like... I mean, in real life, I could stretch this out and make it work. Like, it's not that far off. But this is... Hold on. I need to look this up now. Here. I'll show you the research too. Why not? Just because I really want to press the transition button. Alright. Octagon internal angles. No, that should be right. It should be... Why is it off? Is it off? Might not be off. Transition. Am I tweaking out? Like, I might be just tweaking out. I might just be tweaking out. Hold on. I get all these to be straight with each other. Like, those are all lined up, which is good. But all the angle pieces are not. What sort of constraint would I do for that? Because, like, this is so close that it might as well be there. I thought that if I could just do what I wanted, it would all turn out. I thought it would all line up, but apparently I'm gonna need to teach this computer some geometry. Hey, where am I going down here? Okay, this is the pinned one. So it happened here. No. It's the pinned one. Yeah. Why is it doing that? Never thought that putting PVC pipe together in a program would be so annoying. Oh, welcome back. You're witnessing my struggle live. How do I... how do I do this? How do I do this? Because this... I looked it up. I'm not dumb. The internal angles of an octagon are 135 degrees. Is that... Did I put 135 degrees? Let me check the piece. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, it's 135. That's what it says. Okay. We love a good struggle. This whole stream is going to be me trying to figure out how to put PVC pipe together virtually. Like, bro. Okay. I wonder if I can get like these centers. Like, I need all of these angles to be flat with each other. Kind of like how these are. Good. I was able to constrain all these to be like flat along the surface with each other. But not these. Okay, first off, I'm gonna see how, yeah, this is like tilted up right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. This might be part of the problem, yes. Okay, I'm gonna need to constrain these somehow to make them flat with each other. Alright, let's figure it out. Let's figure it out. Maybe, maybe I do a perpendicular relationship between this and like this? That didn't do anything. Whoa. Maybe you do parallel between this and this. No. Parallel between two that are very obviously not parallel. How about this one and this one? Oh! Is it possible? Did I fix the kink? Okay, I think I did it. I think I did it. Ooh, that was somewhat annoying. Now I need to make this flat. How do I constrain it? Maybe I just need to make like a reference plane. I might need to. Plane on where are the planes in this? Front, top. Not on that part. Reference geometry, plane. Oh. Top plane. And let's just move this up. Like, let's say 8. No. 25 inches. Doesn't matter. I just need to constrain this to be parallel with it. Mate. This. Whoa. Where are you going? Okay. So now I should not be able to rotate this. Yay. Okay. One octagon down. Oh my god. Yeah, I haven't eaten yet. I ate apples, but I'll be fine. Okay, let's get the top part done. Oh my god, PVC in SolidWorks is a lot harder than I thought it would be to constrain. First off, save. Rebuild and save the document. I do not trust that this won't kill itself somehow. After all that. Okay. Oh, right. Well, now I don't know what the size of the pipes are gonna be for this. I should make them their own pipes because I'm gonna have to drill holes in them to mount the motors. So I guess I'll do a new part. New part. This will be the motor mount PVC. Dude, I'm gonna do all this work and then it's just gonna be like I'm not actually gonna make it this way, you know? This is how this process works. Do a shit ton of work and then nothing, you know. 0.5. Exit sketch. And I'm gonna make you 6 inches. Yeah. material, PVC, ply. I will eat eventually. I will eat in the future. Alright, save to this piece. Half-inch PVC or alright. Now I go to the assembly. And then we add stuff into the assembly. I see you're emoting and I raise you. I'm too focused. It is a fun emote. Dude, I want to try making emotes of my own, but I don't know if I like need to be a partner or if I can just make them. I'm not sure how it works. So we go footer support structure. Oh, you're a scam. Alright, so this is concentric with this. Sure, it can be that way. It can be special. And then it goes this to this. It's a little short. Might end up making these longer. Alright. Concentric here. And honestly, I'm gonna be lazy and just make these flat with each other instead. Just like that. So I don't have to keep changing my view around. So concentric there. And then flat there. Yeah, I need to be a partner to add emotes. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I think we talked about that before, actually. It's alright, I'll probably be a partner by the end of the week, and then, I'll have a bunch of emotes, you know? Yeah, so... It's not easy being this good of a streamer. Right, I need to make the top part. Top part. Which means I need to do this whole rigmarole again. I wonder if I could just copy paste instead of do all this. Alright, time for a little science experiment. Let's move all these to this side. Well, actually, no. If I do all of those constraints, then it won't be upside down. Well, actually, no. Okay. More trap music. Alright, I'm gonna save this just in case it crashes, because there's a chance it would. These are the secret SolidWorks techniques they don't teach you. Blam. And I can delete these. Just all. And then I go like this. Actually, no, not like that. Go mate. You. I like this. Burlip. And then we do it concentric. And then we do this one concentric with this one. Life hack. Look at that. And now I can take all these extraneous parts and delete. Oh, now I need to sort these again. There's a sign that just said drive safely. I mean, generally good advice, I would say. Alright, we got a frame. I'm gonna take all these short pieces, move them into the short pieces part. Inch PVC 5-inch. But why is there only 2 of these? No, there's one. Long structure, go from there. Okay, so motor support, don't need that. 45 degree and then T-coupler, so 45. Degree pipes, and then we go take all of you. T-couplers. Alright, hooray for sorting. I don't know what those little M's stand for, but... Save. Okay. Dude, that is so weird. It's just like, yes. Thank you for telling me. I was about to drive unsafely, but now that you said that I should drive safely, I think I will. Thank you. Okay, so got our frame. And alright, so how long is our frame actually? Here, let's evaluate this. So measure from here to here. Or what? Measure. Is it not measuring? There we go. So this is 14 inches. It's not quite the 18 inches that my original mock-up was, but purple graffiti, it said, with trembling hands, with no other context. Dude, that is such like an edgy thing to have in graffiti. Like, somebody was having a day. I can understand that. I too have had days. Oh, I can add the pool noodle. I'm gonna add the pool noodle. Alright, let's make a new thingy. My computer's whining at me. It's like, SolidWorks just taking up so much memory. Bigger pool noodles. So this will be 0.79, and this will be like 3. That seems about right. And we'll do like 4 inches. Alright, what color should I make the pool noodle this time? Dude, imagine. It's like, yo, I saw this cool graffiti the other day, and I don't know who'd made it, but it looked really cool. And if you want to see it, it's like over here, down by Graffiti Street. I wonder if pool noodles. Pool noodle. I don't think this is actually what it's made out of, but it's funny. Pink. We make pink. Body. It's like this pink? Like this light pink? Or like a darker pink? What kind of pink we thinking? Neon pink. Like this? Eye-assaulting pink. Maybe I need to make it like lighter? It's like the lightest it goes. And this is like as eye-assaultingly pink as I guess it could get. Maybe? I don't know. Pink enough. Yeah, they're allergic to fun over in SolidWorks. Oh my god. Stop telling me to check my system! Alright, let's insert these. Insert component. I think this might be a little bit too long. Yeah, 4 inches is just a little too long, but who cares? Oh, noodle. Oh. Why? Why is it so unhappy when I move those? Oh, you going back to the Julian Baker time? It's okay. Alright, I'm gonna do the obnoxious thing. Top right. Oh god. That doesn't help me at all. You might be a little too pink. No such thing. Yeah. Alright, let's strain this to this. How much is that off? I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna do 0.5. That's a comma. No. Oh. My computer is not happy with moving these noodles. I do not understand why. Ooh. Told you to flip the dimension. Actually, no. Wait, no. I have a better way to do this. We're gonna make you invisible. And now I do it this way. So this is 5 inches long right now. So we do a distance. And it'll be 0.5 from here. Yeah. Alright. Now you can come back. That's centered. One little get. Oh. The danger of flooding road. Be careful. Be safe out there. Jeez. Okay. I should do the thing that was my main goal of this stream in the first place now. Which was making the motor and the motor mount. So let me pull up that drawing of the motor. Are these in metric? Hold on, let me show you what I'm working with here. So I'm not sure what units these are in. I'm assuming metric. It's metric. Okay. In millimeters. Alright, I can do that. I think it's M2. Okay. Adhesion. Matter. Well, the mount it's gonna matter. What is this music? I feel like I ask that every time. Alright, let's get this motor mounted. Well, I make it 2 different components so I can spin the propellers, or do I just mock it up as one thing? Do I just mock it up is one thing. I don't know how this behaves. If the axle spins separately from that big... I could actually... They should have a video on that. Let me see. No. You get a better view of the motor spinning. Maybe... Oh, okay, so the thing... This is like a way to mount it. Okay. So these do not spin with the axle. The axle spins separately. Okay. I'm just gonna make this all one piece for my mock-up though. Unless they have a 3D model I can use. Probably not. Ken has. I'll just make it. Alright, I'm gonna close some of these because my computer is whining at me right now. Close everything but the assembly. And let's make a new part. New part. So let's start with the circle. Like the base. I didn't switch. My bad. Hold on. Kablam. Sorry. Alright, so that is 23.3 millimeters diameter, plus or minus 0.15. We don't do plus or minus E. So it's 23.3 millimeters. It's about an inch long. Okay. And I could just do this as a revolve, couldn't I? Yeah, I could. I'm gonna do it that way. Delete the sketch. Revolve boss base. Let's do it this way. And get back at the thing. The diameter is 2. Okay, so the diameter for the axle is 2 millimeters, so it's 1 millimeter. Oh, why am I doing halvesies when I could just do the full thing? Yeah, whatever. Alright. How tall is this? It says it is 12 plus or minus 0.5. 12 millimeters, I think, in height. Yeah, but it feels okay. 12 millimeters. And this is 23 divided by 5. Divided by 2. So 23 divided by 2 millimeters. Yeah, it's way longer than I thought it would be. Because, like, according to the model, but I don't know. Alright, this one's 6 millimeters? Whoa. That can't be right. Oh, no. It is right. I just got the height wrong. It's 6.5 millimeters, actually. 6.5. Oh, that's inches. .5 millimeters. Okay. And then you are not 12 centimeters. You're 12 centimeters and then 12 centimeters again. So So 24 centimeters. I mean millimeters, not centimeters. Eesh. Okay, that makes a little more sense. So that's the bottom part. And then... let's see here. Okay. How wide are you? Does it say? I don't know if it does. It says the width of that. Doesn't say the width of the other part. Why? What is with all these incomplete drawings? Okay. Oh, okay. I guess you can defer it from that. So it's 6.5. Sorta. 2.5 minus 6.5 is 4. So I guess that's 4. And it's good enough for a mock-up. Okay. So go here, make another rectangle. This is 4 millimeters. And I don't know how wide. It does not say. Maybe it does. Hold on. Got 15 there. I don't know what that is. Well, it's a mock-up. Doesn't matter too much. It might matter some. Yeah, it's just, they just don't say the dimensions of this part. It's kind of important. And there's no way you can sort of infer this from what I can see. Okay. Well, instead of just saying over and over again, let's just make something up. Let's go with... On my ball in the sketch here, this looks about like 3/5 of the other one. 23.3. 23. It's gonna be obnoxious. 23.3 times 3 divided by 5. Yeah. Perhaps of divided by 10 should have been 23.3 times 3 divided by 10 millimeters. Oh, it's 2/5, not 3/5. Ah! More math. 23.2 by 3 times 2 divided by 10 millimeters. No, that's not quite right either. You know what? Let's do 7/16. Why not? This doesn't make too much sense, but I'm just doing it this way. 3 times 7 divided by 32 millimeters. Good enough. Good enough. And then the thingy on top of it goes I think this is 2.5. Double check. Yes. And it's 15 across, so this should be 7.5 millimeters. 10.5 millimeters. And then the rest of this is just the axle, I think? Yeah. So this is like the base frame of the motor. So let's exit this sketch. This is the axis revolution. And let's get all these squares in me. What? No, I defined an axis. There we go. Look at that. This is the base of the motor. This has 3 holes in the top, and this has a little cut on the propeller axle. So it's disorienting. Let's do an extruded cut. Extruded cut here, and let's take a look back at the schematics. Okay, so they're M2. What is M2? I don't know. So 10.5. 10.5 millimeters away from the center of this circle. So we do a guide circle. Actually, no. I could just do this. And smart dimension U to U, and 0.5 divided by 2. And then I could do a circular sketch. It rotates around this, and we're doing this. And I want to do 3. And these need to be M2, whatever that is. Let's look it up. M2 side millimeters. M2 is 2. Oh, that makes sense. 2 millimeter diameter. Okay. Yeah, that would track. Alright, I think it changed some more. I basically got it right. Okay, so let's exit the sketch. Not through all. Let's do up to surface. There we go. Okay, so this is obviously too big, because that would interfere with that, so let's edit that. First I save. Water. Spare block. Keep your labeling consistent. Okay, let's change this sketch. I'm gonna do 2/5. So 23.3 times 2 divided by 10 millimeters. Let's try that out for size. Still too big. Oh, I think what they did, because there's a notch actually that I didn't account for. In the drawing. Here, let me show you. Let me swap scenes. Transmission. Yeah, this little notch right here. See that? It's like, unless the holes go through these? No. This is confusing. This is confusing. Maybe I'll do a quarter. I'll just do a quarter. .3 divided by 8 millimeters. Good enough. Exit sketch. There's room now. This part doesn't really matter that much. It's just about how much space the screws have, but, like, this is just a mock-up, so. The part that actually matters is where the wire is going to come out. Oh, I need to change the scene again. So you see here... Can you see my cursor? You can, okay. You see here, this wire is going to come out of here, and there's like a little lip here. And that's where the wire comes out. So I'm going to need to make sure that that is accounted for. It's not accounted for up here. Okay, so if this is this way, the wire will be coming out like there. It's like, sort of like that, I guess. Don't know how wide the adhesion is. But I could always guess. Back to the SolidWorks. Whoa. Ooh, wrong thing. Okay. So I would do an extrusion off the top here. I guess that's the... No. Do a little rectangle coming out here. Well, first I'm gonna find my center. Which shouldn't really matter too much, but it's fine. Now I do a rectangle. This is going to be approximate for wire. Don't know how skinny wires normally are, but that's 2 millimeters, go 2 millimeters. And for here, we'll do 1 millimeter. And how long this will be, nope, not bad. This will do 1/2 inch. And from the center, do like 0.25. Like I'm using inches and millimeters in the same unit. Exit sketch. Extrude you down. And make you a little thinner. 0.05. Okay, so that's sort of where the wire is going to be around. Looks a little jank, but okay. Here, I'll make it look a little less jank. We can, do I need to? I don't need to. It's just a mock-up. It's just a mock-up. Okay. Save this again. Just gonna change the color on you. I don't know what materials is made out of. So, appearances. Okay. So this bottom part on the actual motor is like silvery gray, black. It's like a darker gray. And then the other parts are lighter gray. So let's try to mimic that a little. Oh. 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 Blit. 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 Just want a single face. No, just want the face, not the whole thing. Here. Delete you. Delete. What? What? Okay. Can you let me color in a single face now? No? Why? Yeah, I'll just make it darker. I'll just make it darker. It's okay. Alright. Now we... Well... know how to do this. I know how to do this, I swear. Color. Appearances. Base one. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. And then on that. And then I can go here. Appearances. Make it red. To signify wire. Except for the top, I guess. Alright. I'm gonna give that a close enough, because, like, if you look at the actual motor, switch scenes again. Yeah, if you look at the actual motor here, these are the only fasteners. Like, on the bottom, there is nothing. It's just flat. So, it's close enough. I didn't mock up the propeller, but I think that's okay. Because also, I don't have dimensions for the propeller that were given. So yeah, I saved this, right? Okay. So now I need to take this and find a way to make a 3D printed mount for it that both mounts to PVC and mounts to this. Okay. Shouldn't be that hard, right? But I am getting hungry, though. Me hungry. I'm gonna need some Cheez-Its. Meal of champions. Can you hear me crunching? I hope not. I literally just did save this document, but whatever. Well, I keep forgetting to switch scenes. I wonder if I can make like a hotkey for this or something. I'm sure there's a way. Okay. Great. Need to make a new part. How do I want to do this though? Because you can take off the propellers because they're on like a bushing. What do they call those things? I think that screw onto the axle. So you can take that off, mount the motor, and that needs to be mounted to the PVC pipe somehow. I'm considering either having it drill into the side, because I don't want this spinning around. Like, I don't want the motor's thrust making this pipe spin and then the angle getting off. So there's two ways I can address that. There's either have this be really tight, or have there be two forms of support so it's not a pivot point. Which would probably be a smarter thing to do, now that I'm thinking about it, but I'm going to try to do it the lazy way first. But how would I do that? I could have it slide around this PVC part and have like screws that go all the way through. What is this music? Yeah, so I could have like a circular part that goes around this and then clamps on. It needs to be something relatively easy to print because I don't want the printers to have much of a struggle with this. I also need it to be something that I can put up here too for the motors that are going to be doing up and down thrust. So, let's see. With this design I'm thinking of right now, all I can see is the motors pushing and then like spinning the pipe and going all over the place. I mean, if you have enough friction, that won't be a problem, but I don't want to have to rely on that, you know? How do I fix that? How do I fix that indeed? Well, one solution would be, instead of having the motors off to the side of here, you would want the motor to be thrusting directly into the pole, so it's not inclined to push it, like turn it in any which way. So that's one way to do it. But then I'd have to make different motor mounts for this and for this, because... Would I? I don't think I would, actually. I mean, these would just be, like, off-center. Maybe more like forward or backwards. But if I don't make them too big, it doesn't have to be that big of an issue, right? Okay, well, let me get the motors in here first, just so I can visualize, like I can visually show you what I'm talking about. So, these things are kind of tiny. Okay, let's save this. Put these in their own folder. Rotation. And then these are in thrust. Okay. So, what I'm thinking here is, if I have the motor off to the side like this, for example, give me a second. Yes, like if I have it like right here, for example, attached to this pole, and the motor was thrusting up or down, like especially if it was going down, it would make this pole spin this way. It would want to spin it this way. But oh, solver, it's not happy for a second. What are you doing? I'm not chamfering anything. But if I have this motor under the pole and it puts thrust up or down, it's not gonna want, like, either under or over the pole. It's not gonna wanna, you know, do the thing. Spin the pole. That's what I'm thinking. So, yeah, but if I do that, my concern for having that same sort of mount for these inside ones too is having these stick out too far forward or backwards. So let's see. And this is kind of small compared to this, so it might not actually be that big of an issue. You see what I mean? Like if I flip this on its side. It would only be pushing and pulling on the, like, directly in line with the pole, so it wouldn't be inclined to spin. And at that point, friction should be enough for the low power of these motors to keep it sort of stable. Or at least that's my story. Ooh. You're back. Welcome back. Unless I'm reading messages that I haven't read. No, I think you're back, right? But yeah, okay, so let's make this mount. I think I have an idea, a pretty good idea of what I'd want. But it also needs to be made into 2 pieces, because I'm going to need to screw this on somehow. Maybe? Oh, okay. I'm glad I'm hallucinating. Pretty normal for me, but, you know. Glad I got confirmation from my hallucination. Alright, new part. So, let me make a general idea of what I was trying to say. So, we got, make this like 0.15 inches. Make the inner diameter, make it like a little loose, you know? I don't want it being exactly the same as the diameter of the pipe. So let's do like 0.85. Or maybe just 0.8. Good. I don't want it to be a super loose fit, you know? Ooh, card drawing. We love a good card drawing. And then this would be like what? Maybe 2 inches? Not 21. So something like that. And then from here, we would extrude the little motor holder. So it's sort of like a T thing, if you think about it. I could just use a T. Well, let's continue. So, let's make another extrusion. And say, here, 1 inch. Because I want the holder for the motor to come out here. I'm gonna draw hands. Dude, drawing hands is so hard. Hence why my model has nubs. No hand required. So, I think I did this wrong, actually. Yeah, I think I need to get rid of this plane. Yeah, because I want, like, holder to come outside here. So I want the plane on a different axis. Oh, so I can just do it off the right plane. So, let's sketch here. Make circle. I don't want it to be too much wider than the base of the motor. So, what is the base of the motor? I don't know. Let's go 1 inch for now. Yeah, my worry is having a 3D printer print out all these pipe pieces, you know? They tend to struggle with that sort of thing. At least the ones that I was using. Yeah, I don't know what the music's doing. It's just sort of doing its thing. Like, this is gamer music, I guess, according to the Streamlabs, so... I mean, whatever works, I guess. If I make this a solid piece, it'll take 5 years to print. You know, I could think smarter, not harder. I could make the motor mount to a T-piece here instead. And then, like, construct a 3D printed model that would slot into it. And then I could angle the T to be wherever I wanted. I could, because I'm worried about the 3D printer messing up the print, because that happens a lot more than you'd think. That would be the smart thing to do. Thinking. Do I even need the 3D print motor mounts? That's the real question. Do I even need to? Well, it would be better. Would be better, I think. Okay. Let's go with the other idea. So I'm just gonna delete this. New. There we go. First things first, we need the panel to mount the motor to, which I'm thinking will be a circle, maybe 1.5 inches, and then we have the motor screw holes that are, you want it to be a little bit bigger than 2 millimeters, so 2.5 millimeters, and then you still want it centered in the same distance, so 10.5 divided by 2 millimeters. Maybe 1.5 inches is a little too big. Maybe. I don't know. And then we go circular sketch. S3. Maybe do 1 inch. No. Because the rest of the motor is bigger than that, right? Alright, now I need to evaluate. Evaluate. Measure diameter. 0.91. Okay, so I think 1.5 inches is good. Alright, so exit this sketch. Let's make this 0.1 inch, 0.25. Is that too thick? That might be a little too thick. Oh, it also needs the hole in the center. Whoops. Maybe 0.1 is enough. I need to evaluate you. Oh. Sure. Just do that for now. How long are you? You to you. 0.43 inches. So if I did 1/4 inch off that, feel barely any room. You know what else is too thick? No comment. I know I'm too thick in the head. Alright, let's add another circle here. Oh, bad. Leave some room for the propeller to go through. Yeah. Did you just yacht me? Did you just yacht in my chat? What is GYHT? Do you even know what you're saying? Okay, so this will be a room for the axle. Also, hello. I am currently making a motor mount for these motors right here. I'm making an underwater ROV. These are the motors I'm going to use. I did a mock-up of about their size, and now I'm making a mount that I'm going to 3D print. Nuh-uh. My head not thick. Dang it. They always leave. Yeah, whatever. What was I doing? Got the holes. Got the lime and the coconut. Brain explosion. Motor's gonna mount to this. Right, I was gonna change the thickness. Edit the thickness. Okay. Dude, really though? You know, at one point, I think there were 4 people in this chat. It only lasted for like 2 seconds, but that's the biggest my chat's ever been. I mean, they weren't talking, but they were in the chat, you know? Okay. Also, the person who said that they were going to come back for the next one, I guess they forgot. It's okay. Or they're just too busy or something. Man. I'm trying to think right now. Thinking is not working. Okay, because this is going to be the puck that holds the motor. And then the motor needs to be housed underneath. And then... Okay. Yeah. Underwater thruster system mount. Okay. I think I know what I need to do. I know what I must do. So I need to make a little shell here. Oh. Something like this. Extrude it down. So, how tall are you? I think let's do 3.5 for now. 0.5 for now, but subject to change. Getting it out of here is going to be a pain. Let's see. Evaluate. You. 0.51 inches. Okay, sounds pretty close. Okay, let's edit this extrusion. Edit feature. Let's go 0.75. And then this is gonna have a little screw cap. So I'm gonna make another extrusion here. Wait. And I go like this, and then like this, and let's say 0.5. Hit the sketch. We extrude. 2. Other way. Oh. I forgot to add the holes. And we add like screw holes, so let's say, what size screw do I want to use? Let's do 3/8 inch, I guess. That's really big. 1/4 inch. Okay. I'll do 1 inch from this. And now we do circular sketch and do 4. Okay. Exit sketch. There we go. This will be the top piece. So the motor will get put into here. Oh, I need to make a slot for the wire, actually. Alright. Where would the wire go? Yeah, okay, so just sort of off to the side. Right plane, top, front plane. Let's do a sketch here. And I'll do a cut, which is like that. 5, give it some room. Yeah, that's fine. And this is 1/2 inch, right? So let's do 0.5. Alright, let's exit the sketch. Oh. And now we cut. Cut. That doesn't feel right. I think it's the other way. Feature. That feels more accurate. I feel like this is actually upside down from what it's supposed to be. Because, like, if I look at this, the holes are like this, and then this goes up here. And if I switch over to this, it was like this, should go over here. So I have my plane wrong. I have my plane wrong. Dude, I do not understand this playlist at all. But, you know, I suppose it is a vibe. Yeah, I did this on the wrong thing. Let's delete. Yes. Delete you as well. Yes. Needs to be on this plane. Alright. Sketch. This is the saddest music I've ever CAD'd to. Like, this sounds like one of my relatives is dying or something. Like, why are we doing this? Okay, that should be good. So if this is like this... No. It needs to be out like that way. Why? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? I think... Huh. I'm so confused. Dude, really though? Dude, me CADing is just that cinematic of an experience, you know? For some people, it's spiritual watching me CAD, and I'm just here to honor them. This soundtrack is for them, you know? I see you, people who love watching me CAD, and I am here for you. Oh, I guess the sad music is done. Hit the sketch. Yeah. I thought I did this the first time. Oh, wait. No, they were both wrong. They were both wrong. Why do you like this? I did this the right way, right? Wait, hold on. It's just not. What's the original extrude? Oh, is it because it's all in this angle? Is it because of that? That's annoying. Here, let's see if I can change that. Yeah, what angle is this? Top? Okay, so this is the... How does this keep happening? Oh my god, I've like flip-flopped back and forth on this like 3 times. What is going on? You know, I'm just gonna cut them both. See which one wins. 5. Makes a sketch. Straight to cut. This way. Yes, this is what I wanted. This is the thing I wanted. Why was this so hard for me to figure out? Okay, delete. Delete. Oh my god. Okay! After much struggling, we have finally got the first part of the holder thingy. What color should the motor holder be? Did not appeal it. Oh. Teal? Okay, we'll go teal. Like this? It's like, what color do you want this? Real. I want it to be real. I want to be a real color. Okay, cool. This is the first half. Now the second half, I can make plug in to a PVC pipe. So, make a new part. In which we would do street boss base. Okay, I guess we're doing it this way. I think I made this 2 inches. I think. 2.5. Okay. There we go. 2.5. And we have the circles, which are 1/4 inch diameter. 1.25. And 1 inch away from the center. And we do that 4 times, like so. Exit sketch, extrude you out, 0.25. And then we simply add another extrusion. And I'm gonna make it hollow as to not waste printer material or time. So let's go 0.79. And this one is 0.5. Exit sketch. And I'll extrude this out to like 0.5. So that way it's just like right on top of the T. Actually, no, 0.885. Yeah, that's good. So this one is also a part of the motor holder, but I guess I'll make it teal as well. Unless you want to do something else. Purple. Okay, I'll make purple. Or for art though, purple. Alright, purple. Alright, save this. Okay. So let me show you how I think this will be implemented. It's your components. Okay, so I might have made these a little too big, but we'll see. So we made this to this. So in real life, I would screw this to here, do these holes, which I will simulate like so. I thought I'd... Can this... I thought I'd... Huh. No, it's okay. So this is how the motor would screw on. In here. And its wire would come out of here. Out of this hole. So let's see how much space it has in there. It has a pretty good amount of space. I could make it smaller. And I would want to make it smaller because I would want to make it more aero... Like, the more stuff there is behind the propeller, the less thrust it's going to have. Because it'll just be thrusting onto itself, sort of like blowing wind onto your own sails, so... Okay. Let's save this. I'm going to edit the dimensions of these real quick, so... let's edit this sketch. Let's say... 1.25. How does that compare? Exit sketch. Yeah. Alright. That's so funny. Oh, you're upset now. Well, I'm upset too. So... Let's edit the sketch here. 1.25. Exit. And then we go here. Edit sketch. Did I ever define that? I did not. Well. 2.25. And these will be 0.75. Oh. It's 0.875. There we go. Oh, why are these like that? What happened to you? I'm just gonna delete these and remake them. Big on. Right. So this is the smaller version. Let's see how that goes. Save you. Go over to here. Yes, rebuild. Blech. How much room you got now? Not as much. That is a good thing. Okay, I think this is a better model for this. And now we need to change this one up so we can get that, the bottom cap lined up with that, and that can go into the PVC pipe, which means I'm going to have to add T-brackets to these for everywhere I want to mount a motor. Ah! Okay. Here we go. So, first things first, get this changed up to 2.25. Change you to 0.875. Why are they like this? Oh, I see. There we go. Exit sketch. And I think that's that done. So save that. And we come in here. Yeah. Save you. And then we fusion dance. Like so. And then we go like that. And we go like that. So this is the motor holder for what I'm thinking. Also, is that enough room for the propeller? Do I need to make the top skinnier? I might need to make the top skinnier. Because, like, you see this assembly right here. I might need to just make this its own assembly, actually. Ooh, I should do that, actually. But yeah, this will get plugged into the pipe. And then instead of having to do a complicated mounting thingy, I can just use a T bracket here, like one of these, and then plug her in like that. So I'm actually going to delete all the motors off of this. Yes to all. Yes. Let's just delete all those. Delete. Yes. Okay. Save you. New. Assembly. Do all of these. Ooh. Why is it doing so far? Okay. So if I make this its own assembly, then I can put it in as its own part. If that makes sense. So that goes like that. And that goes like that. And then... plus it'll make it a lot easier to change. that. And then that goes like that. Alright, so that is the motor thruster done. This is just like a mock-up for this, but should be fine. Though, I think I do need to make this top part a little thinner. So, let's do that. And edit feature 21. And this is the thing that's getting the motor mounted to it, so I don't want to make it too thin. Let's do 0.15. But I also need room for the propeller. So. Alright, that looks a little more spacey. Alright, let's save this as motor, or I guess underwater thruster. Okay, now I can go over to my other assembly, and I can place 6 of these. These don't have the propellers on them, but the propellers would stick up and be like around here-ish. I suppose I can mock that up too, but I didn't have dimensions on them. Okay, so in order to actually mount these onto this, I'm gonna need to change everything again. Basically, I'm gonna need to put T's into here in like each of these 4 corners, and then 2 up here. So allow me. Delete. Yes. Delete. 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 And delete. So I'm gonna need 4 more T's. Wait, no, 6 more. So let's do a folder and make new T's. All right. Save this. Save all. Chicken lo-fi. Wait. Was it like making barking sounds? I honestly wasn't paying attention. Oh my god, that reminds me of the chicken yodeler. Do you remember that? The chicken yodeling guy from Japan? Honestly, a living legend. That man deserves all our respect. Not all of us are as brave as he. Honestly, I probably just should have made this part of the assembly. Why didn't I do that? In fact, why don't I do that now? Insert component, browse, parts, key coupler, and then we make you. Like that. And you like that. And that is good. Alright, let's save you. Go to the other thingy bobber. Wow. Imagine that. Okay. So I'm gonna need to edit the other thing. So let's go to motor mount. Since these are gonna be half the size, I'm just gonna say that we make this maybe, let's try 4 inches, make it a little taller than it was. So we save this, we go over here, add them back in. Motor, where is it? There it is. We're gonna need 8, no, wait, yes, no, hold on. Yes, 8 of these. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 4 of these are gonna be on this side, so let's get that done. You can center with you. And then we go there. Like that. And go like this. Stop moving. Alright. You know, I'm gonna save real quick because this program crashes so often. I've said that so many times this stream, but it's just so true. Okay. Need to do this a couple more times. Like so. Oh, that should still work. Yeah, okay. And that's 2 of those done. Now let's get this one done. Now let's get the final one done. Come on. Right. One more for the road. Yay. Go on, get. Alright. Okay. Now we mount those down to there. Okay. I'm sorry you got frustrated with drawing hands, but I hope you enjoy doing the other thing that you're going to do. Yes, thank you for choosing the colors. You know, honestly, it looks not that bad. Going with a sort of pink blue coral reef vibe. Oh. Why didn't you come along? True. That is a good goal. All right. So, yeah. See you later. I'm probably going to be ending my stream decently soon, so if I'm not back by the time that you are available again, then that's probably why. Okay. I'll see ya. Alright. Let's get... Need to set those up over here as well, so let's get that done. I do that with these, so... Go. Bad. Love how all I can manage to say is, I'm mixing it up. Okay. I'm looking for the smaller pieces. Like you. How rude. Here, let's do that. Copy, paste, paste. Paste. Okay. Let's get these in. I don't know what this music is, bro. This music is wild. Like oh, this is a chill gaming sort of lo-fi soundtrack. Oh, and we threw in traps sometimes too, you know. I think those vibes fit each other. But hey, it's all I got. Can't argue with free, I guess. Alright. Let's save here. Catch these. Centric with you. Okay, that should be good. And now I gotta do that on the other side. So how about I do this first? Flip it around. Bring it around down. Bring it around down. Alright. So that's good. Now, the other ones, save. These might be too tall, but we'll see. We'll see. I wanted to give them room, pretty good room, for the propeller to propel. But I could have easily have overdone it. Wink. Put that there. Put that right there. Put that there. Oh boy. Looks pleasant. Put that. Never mind. Make this all the same. So put that there. Don't even know where it ended up. There it is. That. There. And that there. Oh, and I suppose we should probably do that too. There we go. And now for the others. You should go here. And you there. You go there. And I think that's all I need for that. And you, last but not least. Bro, this player's trying to put me to sleep right now. What's going on? There. I love how, like, the majority of the stream is just me complaining about the playlist and doing nothing about it. Okay, so we've got our motors. Now I just need to orient them correctly. So, yeah, I want those to be sort of like down here. And these should be parallel with this. So these just have to both go in like that if I'm doing it inwards, or they would have to both go out if I'm doing it outwards. I feel like I like inwards better. Oh no, because all the thrusters are going into this one spot. No, we should do it the other way. But then when we're moving and there's a camera, like right here, it's just gonna bubble up the camera. Ooh, that is an interesting situation. Well, I suppose it wouldn't be too hard to change, but I wonder which one would be better. So this is sort of the orientation I'm thinking here. Is this the front? I can't tell. I mean, doesn't matter too much, but okay. So this would be how this is mounted, and these could be rotated. So like, oh. I made them their own assembly, so it's not going to show, but you can rotate. So I make these two parallel and then those two parallel. So let's see. Mate, parallel. Ew. This face. This face. Okay. Why'd you move over there? I didn't tell you to do that. Okay. We make these parallel. So now this should be, yeah. And then we make these perpendicular. Perpendicular. Go here and here. And that didn't really constrain that much, but sort of did. Kind of. Whoa. The vibe swap is real. Save this real quick. Oh, and you can string these too. So I'm just gonna make these coincident with each other. Pull. I did not mean to do that. So that does let me know that that can happen. Oops. Nope. What is this? What is this music? I'm losing my mind. Okay, so this would be like this. It might need to be a little bigger if the propellers are going to get in their way. in each other's way too much, then this might need to be a bigger... Like, these pipes might need to be longer, which is fine. It's good to know now. What is this? Okay, this music is legitimately distracting me now. What is this song? Where even are we on the list? Oh, there we are. Funk versus drum and bass? Well, at least it's only got 5 seconds left. Oy, oy, oy. Okay. Right. I need to train these so that they are not willing to move. Oh no. Did I break it? Might have broke it. It's not responding to me. Oh. Oh, it's alive. It was fine with this before. Maybe it's because I was moving the bottom part. Yeah, no. Do I need to make these coincident with each other? No, because now that that's done. Yeah. What about these, though? Make these coincident with each other. Is that correct? No. Wait. Oh, I know what to do. Make this and this. So that they're parallel. Please. There we go. Okay. Now that is that. Yeah. This might need to be a little bit bigger. But that should be easy to edit. So let's save this. Not that part. Let's open this. Change the extrusion. Give it another inch. What was the calculation I did? Yeah, I'm gonna need to open the other part too. So let's say I make this 6 inches. So in order to make this 6 inches, the other pipe would need to be, because it accounts for that, you would just literally add an inch on, right? Here, let's see if this breaks. If I do this, go here, 6, save. And then we go here, edit this, say, no, this needs a inch more. If I give that one an inch, this one needs a half inch. So that would be that. Save that. Now let's see if this combusts. Well, it didn't quite combust, but it's not quite right either. Okay. Didn't combust. Didn't not combust. Okay, so that's fine. Where's the first thing to overlap poorly? That seems fine. That is not fine. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why it would be that way, but I'm gonna have to do this all over again, aren't I? Should have done it in a chain. I should have made sure it was done that way. Alright, alright. That's good. That's not good. Huh? Why is that? Why is that like that? It broke this poor thing's little brain.
But when everything is coming back to me, I feel as if my memory is paralyzed.
Now, what is the last thing you can remember?
I don't know.
I'm gonna have to undo all of these. All of their mates. Alright. Let's do this. Okay, that's fine. That is not. Delete. Oh no. Oh no! This pipe. That is not good. Delete. Yeah, oh god. I thought this would be easy to change. I was wrong. I was wrong. I just can't live without you. Yeah, I know. Wait. No, it's short structure. I want the long structure. This one. Whoa. Yeah, that can go. Yes. Okay, I get it, I get it. You're mad. Where's this pipe? It's this one. Delete. Yes. Delete you. I know. Just delete all the X's. Delete. I thought it would have just automatically configured it to be correct, but I guess I was thinking too highly of the program. It's okay. We make do. Oh, those are all happier now. I mean, they should all be happy when I'm done. Delete. Go here. Delete. Now you're not mad. Oh. Okay. You don't say. You don't say. What in the heck? Okay. Let's be careful about this. Right. You go here. And we're not doing a distance, mate. Nuh-uh. 0. It's getting a little better. Then go to this one. Why? I just wanted to click on the face. We're not doing a distance, mate. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now you come over here. And where the hell are you supposed to be? Hold on. Oh. What on earth happened? Okay. Okay, I see what's going on here. I can't drag that, can I? Oh no, it's gonna explode, isn't it? Oh! It's alive! You become invisible. And I go mate. Here. Here. What are you doing? I don't think that's what I told you to do. No. There we go. Wait. Wait. Okay. Where's the part I made invisible? Yeah, so that... Wait. Where that... Ooh. This is a mess. Oh my god. You know, I should have done this in corners. It's literally radially symmetrical, almost. It's okay. It's okay. We fix our mistakes on stream, yes? Oh. Ooh, he's not happy. Please, SolidWorks, please. Oy. Every little thing I do is just freaking the hell out. Yeah. Well, it is. Oh. This is supposed to be here. Yes. Yes. So, I would need to make this. I need to make you invisible. And then I go mate. And you. And you. That's not what I said. Come on. Do what I told you to do. 0. There we go. That wasn't so hard, was it? Oy. Oy. Okay. There we go. SolidWorks is starting to wake up. Let's make you visible again. I still don't know what spaghetti's going on up there, but we'll figure that out in a sec. Let's get the bottom done first. Okay, so now this needs to go here. So you come over here and go like, you know, I just realized why it's spaghettifying. I just realized why. Because the one that I had pinned, I deleted. 0. 0. I need to pin one of these. I'll pin it as soon as this figures itself out. I believe in you, SolidWorks. I believe! I believe! Please? Oh no. Oh. It might be crashing. It might be crashing. Huh. Okay. Let's pin something. Here, you fix. Maybe this will fix this problem. Okay. Okay. Dude, SolidWorks is whining at me. Come on. Please, I need to click save. Please. Save. Yes. Okay. Whew. Okay. How did this end up like this? What is this? What is this? Is this not the piece that goes there? Now I'm just confused. What did you do? What did you do to my boy? Okay, so think about it. That needs to line up with that. So I think that's the front of that. I think. It's like that would go there. Oh my lord. Oh. I have turned this poor ROV into spaghetti. I have just absolutely spaghettified this thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I see what's going on here. So, this... What the heck's going on here? I think this... Aha. This goes here. So, we mate. You... And you? Essentially... This could be. Yes. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So this goes here. and it goes with a distance of 0, please. You know you want to. You know you want to. Come on. You know you want to. That's not the right pipe. Maybe this is all turned around and weird. Ooh, every time I try to move something, it freezes for like 3 seconds at least. Wow. Okay. We're so close. We are so close. Okay, let's think about it. If that's not it, then... Okay, so that would go there. This has to be like this. But there must be another... Yeah. What is this doing? Is there some sort of constraint that I forgot to delete? Here, I'm gonna make... Okay, let's stop the mating process. Stop. Save. Make you invisible. That's the wrong part. Make you invisible. Make you invisible. Okay. Let's make you visible. And then that. Yeah, that's not constrained to that. Just refuses to work with me here for some reason. So this goes... Okay, so this is the T couple for this. Cheap views. And let's see if I can remove that comment. That's not... I don't want to reply to it. How do I remove this? Whatever. But yeah, like, would this not? Or is this like upside down? This... Go visible. That's the other thing I made visible. Yeah, I think that needs to merge with that. So we go mate. Well, first, change your transparency here. I have to make everything invisible here. Hide you. Hide you. Yes, that's already attached to that. Is it? I don't think it is. I made the mistake of attempting to move it. Okay, mate. Yeah, it's not. This face to this face. Zero. This would not break this. This is what I want to do. What now? It's rough out here. It is rough out here. Okay. is invisible. No, there's a short one that's invisible somewhere. Maybe I did this like completely wrong. Is this one? Yeah, it's in the right spot for that. And SolidWorks just cannot wrap its little noggin around this. I should probably just delete it and redo it. Honestly, I have incentive to do so. Like, how did this even explode so dramatically? Alright, well maybe we try doing the top and maybe it'll fix the bottom. Like, this... Maybe this is backwards and that's why. Maybe this needs to be over there. But then where's the piece for that? Is it in the ether somewhere? Like, why are you here? Okay, so you turn that there. I feel like this is mirrored. Boy, this is a puzzle and a half for my little noggin. Well, at the very least I can do this, right? Is this correct? That is correct. Okay, and that moved that closer to that. Why? Yeah. And those are parallel. They're on this side. And these are in the long pieces, so this should be over here. It might be the pool noodles that are fucking this up. Here, let's go to the pool noodles. I'm just gonna remove all their constraints. What are these? Oh. Motor. Those in the motor. Support structure. And put you in these short pieces. Rotation. You can be concentric, but not the rest. Delete. Okay. Maybe this won't be so crazy now. I should just be able to slide this. Like, this should not be this incalculable. There we go. So that goes there. This is over there. I think. Yeah. But then there's no pipe for that. That's in here. Wow. Oh boy. Okay. That turns. Maybe I just make this parallel. 8 parallel. You. Will it do it? Will it do it? Will it do it? Will it do it? Cancel. So that's not right. So, what the hell? Did I constrain this wrong? I'm gonna delete some more mates. Let's see. Motor. Thrust. Where's the thrust? You can be concentric. You can even be coincident. But let's get rid of the parallel. That's fine. That. And that's fine. You're fine. Dude, this music is how I feel right now. Watching my underwater ROV absolutely explode all over this computer. Concentric, coincident. Okay. Getting somewhat somewhere, methinks. Maybe I put this on the wrong side. This might be on the wrong side. Because those line up there. That I think I see it. So this lines up with this.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was a cold-blooded, premeditated murder.
Murder? This is a murder. Okay. That's what we do.
Where did you get that gun?
It's not letting me do it. Oh.
Where did you get that gun?
It's not that. It's this. That's wrong. No, because I didn't delete those mates.
Where did you get that gun?
I've been looking at this the whole time. Okay, so this is here. But now it doesn't wanna. Why don't you wanna? Well, actually, let's just see what breaks. Oh. Alright. Is there another pinned piece? Aha. That might be causing the problem. So I did. Okay, I did assemble it backwards. My bad. That was the problem, though. It's kind of fun. Alright. Okay. You're in the... But I didn't delete that. I'm just in denial right now. Like I'm in pain. Holy game over there. Gonna do the thing. How was I getting this to move earlier? What thing did I click on? Oh, no matter. I'll click on you. I'll see what you are coincident with. Huh? Huh? What? What the? How? How did that happen? I am so confused. What? What on earth? How? Oh, that's not the right piece. Everything visible again. I think there's still in some invisible parts. Come alive. Okay. Eccentric. Not gonna be any intel. He's just missing. There should be like a smaller piece. Oh, I guess it's that piece. The one that's like way extended. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes you just have a silly brain. Oh. So this should be able to go there. If I am correct. Yes. And those should be able to slide over there. Yeah, so. Wow, why did this take so long? Why did this take so long? 0. You can do it. You can do it. Still 0. Did I crash it? Did I crash it? You know, I'm surprised that this hasn't crashed yet. I'm jinxing it, aren't I? I'm jinxing it. I'm jinxing it. Oh boy. Cancel. Why does that break other mates? When it is very clearly what I need to do. It's because these are backwards. Did I do something backwards? I must have done something backwards. And where's my little corner piece? Where did it go? Where'd that corner piece go? Well, that was just sort of chilling on its own. You. What are your relations? Wait. That's not right. That's not right. So it's coincident with that. Yeah, it's in that. Okay. So with that. So that is attached to that. So you need to move. There we go. Now let's mate this to this. No. This is something you should be able to do. There we go. And okay. Let's get that back. Come on. Come on. There we go. Oh shit. No. 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 Delete that. Go away. Go away. Okay. Okay. Now there. Wait for it to load for 5 years. Wait a little more. 0. I believe. In you, SolidWorks. You've got this. I hope. When was the last time I saved? That is very obviously what I need to do here. Why? You know, maybe instead of struggling with this on stream, I should just finish this off stream. Let this be a lesson to you, though. Sometimes very simple changes can lead to very complicated program malfunctions. I just wanted them to be a little longer. That's all I wanted. Oof. Anyway, this has been a stream and a half. If you've stuck around for this long, thanks for doing that, and I am sorry for what you've witnessed. But yeah, next Monday, I'll be doing an art stream. I'm going to try finishing up my VTuber model. And if I do that quick enough, I might try to make my own sort of screens for the different, like see the starting screen, like this sort of stuff. Try to make my own art for that, maybe, if I have time. But I am just beat. This is taking it out of me. So I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you for watching, if you did. And yeah, I mean, if you watched this far, you're awesome. All right, I'll see you later.